welcome back to CST Baking. Today, we're going to be making a delicious New Year's dessert, creme brulee. First, you're going to get yourself a nice little baking dish. Now, remember, this has to be bakeable in an oven. Now, onto our ingredients. You're going to want 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of normal granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Now, you're going to want to separate your eggs from your egg yolk. Now that you've got your yolks separated from your whites, you're going to want to take your sugar and pour it in. Now you're going to add your vanilla. Stir it until it's thick and creamy. You're going to want to add your cream to a saucepan at low heat and stir. When your cream begins to boil, remove it from heat and pour in your egg mixture. Now, pour your mixture into a double boiler. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait until your mixture lightly covers the back of a spoon. Then, pour it into your oven dish. Once your oven is preheated, put your dish in for 30 minutes. Now, once your creme brulee is done, you're going to want to take it out. Now, how you can tell if it's done is by sticking a toothpick in it. If it comes clean, then the bottom part of your creme brulee is done. Now, for the next step, sprinkle your sugar onto your cream in a thin but even layer. Now, burn the sugar on top. Put it in the fridge until the shell is hard. Then, enjoy. Bake with you next time on CST Baking.